How to download FIFA 2025 on your Windows computer. First, open a browser and search for Steam, and then we have to open the first result. Now install Steam. Again install Steam. We have downloaded Steam on your device. Just open it. So just double click on your Steam. Yes. So from here, tap next, choose your language, next, install Steam on your desired location. All right. So after that, this is Steam. Open Steam, create an account. Now from the store, search for FIFA. So yeah, this is the result, FIFA 2025, or you can say EA Sports FC 2025. So now from here, go to cart, add to cart, view my cart, add to continue to payment. So after the payment done, just go to your library. You'll find the game somewhere here. Just install the game and you are good to go. Hope this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.